Morning. It's 8:30 in the morning. Where are we going?
Maybe City ba?
Dahil araw na naman today guys, mainit na naman. Maaga na naman kami lumabas. At
Today's a nice
indoor kami ngayon. Nood lang kami ng movie. Yan, hatid kami ng tatay sa umaga. Habang maaga pa. Then papasok na siya. Hoy.
Today's a nice day. Today's a
Tapos,
nice day.
lakad-lakad kami sa town tapos saka kami uwi. By bus, definitely. What do you think?
What?
We're going home by bus.
Sulitin natin ang araw. Holiday kasi ng mga bata. School holiday. Kaya labas na lang natin ng maaga. Nood kami ng movie. Anong panoorin natin?
Hit him.
Hit pig. Hit what?
Dada. What?
Today's a nice day. It's hello guys again.
Dahil movie kami guys at mahal ang snack sa cinema, be practical, bili na lang kami dito sa labas. Dito kami sa labas bibili ng snack natin. So si ate nandun na Tesco Express para bumili ng snack nila sa movie. Mahal kasi guys ang popcorn sa loob at saka drinks. Kaya dito na lang kami bibili. Sa cinema pa lang mahal na ang ticket. Kaya pag ganitong holiday, dito na lang sa labas bumili ng snack. Marami namang... Hi ate. Huh?
Don't think there is any.
There's no popcorn here. There is this way. I think I saw it here before.
Yeah, I already checked over here. They're not here.
You have?
Yeah.
Oh, then no popcorn.
Oh, I love these.
Get
ones.
some different snack then. Yeah, I can have it. Get one. Dito lang kami bibili. So, how about the other side? You can see popcorn. It says popcorn on the box. Yeah, there you go. Salty, sweet and salty. Then go and get sweet. Different type of popcorn, oh. Popcorn pa rin. Mas mura. Mas mura. Pero
Sweet.
no sweet. Then just mix. Oh, sweet and salty.
Yeah, I want these ones.
What's the difference of that and the pink one? Light and crunchy. What's the difference of that?
I don't know.
Okay. Ayan, nakabili na sila. Drinks nila, sabi ko tubig lang kasi maaga pa. Maaga pa para mag soft drinks na naman yan. So tubig lang sila.
Look at this.
Pepper, Dr. Pepper. Okay. Let's go and pay.
Oh, wait, no.
Snack ready?
Yeah.
Ang lapit naman. What's that? Popcorn?
Popcorn, sweet only, and I also got this chocolate, all chocolate one.
Oh, where's your tubig?
Adding's got it. We got a flavoured
A
one.
gallon. A gallon of tubig.
Gallon.
Put it in your bag. Uy. Pack it in your bag.
Okay.
Yan. Para hindi naman nakakahiyang pumasok sa sinihan na may mga bit-bit na snack kasi syempre may benta sila dun. Kaya tatago namin sa bag. Filipino way. Pero hindi naman Pilipino lang, ginagawa din ng mga puti yun. Nakikita namin sa mga katabi namin minsan may mga dala-dala ding snack. Kasi mahal talaga guys dun sa loob ang bili ng snack pag nanood ng movie. Kaya come on, let's go na. We're here na sa cinema. So who wants to eat first? We're here in the cinema. Come on, let's go. Where's our 2? Do you know what number our seat is?
G3.
2. Pumasok na yung dalawa. Iniwan na ako. What? Yeah, you didn't even open the door for me. That's mean. Why did you came back? You realized mom is not there.
No.
Wala kaming dalang snack guys. Nasa bag lahat ni ate.
I just wanted to
Dito na
select
kami sa cinema. Tapos na ang movie namin guys. Nawawala si Ading. We lost Ading. And now it's time for Ate's favorite talent, which is
That's your favorite time.
Sorry.
I mean, that's Dad's favorite time.
Maglakad-lakad lang kami guys. Hindi pa gaanong kainitan. So dito muna kami sa town. Lakad-lakad. Kain ng lunch mamaya. Tapos uwi na kami. Sigurado. Uwi kami. Tapos pahinga. Tapos may swimming lesson tong dalawa mamaya. At may dentist pa pala kayo. Remind me. May dentist tong dalawa guys mamaya after mga alas 4. Dentist ng dalawa. Check ng ngipin. Every 6 months sila papacheck ng ngipin dito. So ayan na. Shopping konti. Naka-shopping na si ate guys. May nabili na naman. Si Ading ang nabili lang ay laruan.
I got a mystery ball.
Okay?
The opening
Mystery
of Mr.
ball.
Lucky.
Laruan lang kay Ading. Kay ate na naman ang nakarami. Wow!
It's Mr. Ducky.
It's green.
It's Mr. Ducky.
Happy na si Ading sa ganyan. Oh, show them Ading. Happy na si Ading sa ganyan. Oh. Si ate na naman ang nakarami as always. Dito pa tapos. Beginning pa lang daw sabi niya.
He's gonna lay in his Mr. Ducky egg.
Hmm?
Mr. Ducky hatching egg.
Oh guys. Inuhaw. Nag-order ng drinks. Inuhaw na sila guys. Nagtanggal na si Ading ng damit na initan na. Tinanggal niya yung t-shirt niya.
You know
Dito
this
kami.
is from my bedtime.
Nice. Nasa Mobo.
I'm just using it to see.
Mobo. So, order kami ng drinks namin. Hintay-hintay ng drinks. Punta pa daw sila sa Mankind. Shopping ni ate. 2 bag.
Go to my car to find a real movie.
Ngayon turn ni Ading sa Mankind.
To find a real movie.
There you go. Drinks.
Thank you.
Drinks. Hi.
I got Oreo though.
What have you got? Oreo.
I got watermelon with
Thank you.
passion fruit double things.
And mine is matcha. Dang, dang, dang.
Cheers.
Cheers. We ended up here.
Hello guys. McDonald's.
We're waiting
Hello,
for the
guys.
order.
Waiting for the order.
Hi guys! Ngayon pa lang kami uuwi.
What do you say?
Mag-alas 4 na, late na kami sa dentist appointment ng dalawa.
Not my fault, it's Ash's fault.
Alas 4 ang dentist appointment nila. Gagaling lang ng town, pauwi pa lang.
We spent a lot.
Last minute na alala ko, bilhan ko na si ate ng uniform niya para next na pasukan sa September. Kasi pag sa ano ka pa magbibili, pila na ang bilihan. Iisang bilihan dito ng uniform. Kasi may mga marka-marka per school, kada school may embroidering logo.
Guys, did you
Yes.
know
No.
Ashi spent
Oh
almost
my god.
300 plus.
Mahal ng uniform dito, guys. Uniform pa lang ang kinuha ko.
Mum
Dalawang
bought 2 skirts, 2
trousers.
one
One-
blazer,
Mhm.
and
A set of PE.
PE top.
Set,
Two, no, not
One.
2 skirts, 1 skirt,
Uh-huh.
and that total cost 224.50
Yeah.
pounds.
Mahal ng uniform dito, pero walang magagawa. Uniform na mga bata, kailangan naman. Kailangan nila sa pasukan. Kaya bumili na ako ngayon para hindi na kami makipila-pila na next time sa July or August. Wala nang problema. Ang ano na lang, bibili na lang yung white ate. White long sleeve. At saka
let's
yung
open
ano,
the
tie.
egg.
Kasi nag-necktie sila dito.
Mom,
Pero hindi ko pa alam kung anong necktie ni ate. Hindi ko pa alam ang kulay. Kasi by house by house. How's the movie? By the way.
Really good.
guys,
Funny. Yeah.
Lord of the Leaping was Dada.
guys, look. I opened this and there's an egg inside. When I
Wow.
open this, there's a skeleton covered in
Wow.
moss.
Wow.
mushrooms.
Wow.
You done?
You done?
Yes.
Any more?
No.
Okay. Now we got to hurry up. We got 7 minutes left bago ang dentist.
We have
What
time
one?
to brush our teeth.
No time to brush your teeth, sadly. Let the dentist dig all your dikki.
Not my fault. I'm
Oh,
gonna
you
blame it
done?
on Ate.
Wala kaming time para mag-toothbrush. Diretso na sila ng dentist. Sorry na lang. Amoy chicken nuggets ang bunganga nila. Tapos after dentist,
Dad's gonna drop us there.
yeah.
Can we not go home?
No more time to go home. 5 minutes left.
I'm go home, then you're gonna walk.
No thanks. Try to wait for us because it's not. Oh, you can go home, but it's too hot to walk. You can
No,
go
but
home.
go
for
home.
price.
Add and go, and then we can brush our teeth really quickly.
No time to quickly brush.
Google
Never
that.
mind.
Go.
Just drink water. Google. Google.
Goggle. Can I have the
Gargle.
water that you have?
No, I finished my water in the cinema. So, ayan na. Bye-bye na guys. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. See you at the
Please
dentist.
remember to like and subscribe.
Okay.